Joel here from Wisconsin Fishing Adventures. Just want to let you know a little bit about the Rock River, which is the river you're going to see fish today. It runs right through the heart of Janesville, Wisconsin. It tends to get, in the summertime when the temperature gets high, it tends to get some algae bloom in it. So the water quality and clarity is a little bit off colored green. I'm going to be fishing today at Monterey Stadium area. There's a Monterey Dam, they call it. You're going to see two sets of dams kind of come together. They come together in a triangle. And there's two sets of flows that you're going to see. And I just want you to pay specific attention to that, because that's where a lot of these smallmouth are going to be sitting. They're going to be sitting in these little current areas, current seams that there are there. It's also beneficial to know approximately the depth that you're at. In this water, we had a flood in, was it June, July-ish, and that flooding just took forever to go down. When the water level is really high, it's next to impossible to fish it. You can't get out there. It's going to be neck deep, if not deeper. Current's going to be strong. So usually I wait until mid to end of summer to fish this, because there's a lot, when the water level comes down, you're going to catch a lot more smallmouth. The bottomography, if you will, that I like to use, it's flowing, so there's all rocks, but it's flowing in different pockets of depth. So you're going to you find little holes that these bass sit in, and those are the best spots to fish it. It does get really deep up by the northern dam, which is the one that I don't fish in this. You'll see pictures of me fishing this, but I can't fish that one because it's too deep to get up there to it. So you'll see a different section of the dam. It would be the east section of the dam that I get up there and actually fish. And it's fast current, fast water. Water level could come down just a little bit more. And once that water level does come down just a little bit more, I think it'll be fantastic towards the middle to end of this month. It's a short window many times that you get to hit. This summer being a different summer because of the flooding that happened late. It put it off for quite a long time. Many times when you have a hot summer, no rain for quite a while, you can tend to fish this earlier. So we'll see what ends up happening. Thanks for watching.
Not huge, but nice. I'm right out there. Yeah. Got another one. Wow, this is a nice one. Nice little smallie.